In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add statuses on ClickUp. Before we begin, a quick note on what we're doing. In ClickUp, there are task statuses like to do or in progress, and there's your personal profile status, which is what teammates see next to your name. Today, we're setting your personal status so others know your availability or context at a glance. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to the overview area inside your team space. This is a great place to start because it keeps you in a high-level view without diving into any specific task or list. Once you're on overview, look to the top right of the screen and click your profile picture. That small avatar opens your personal menu, which is where your availability and profile options live. From the menu, choose Set Status. This opens the status selector where you can pick from common options like available away or any other preset that fits your situation. Selecting a preset is the fastest way to communicate your current availability to your team, and it updates instantly across the workspace so others see it right away. Next, set the scope so the status applies where you want it. Choose for My Workspace to keep this status specific to the workspace you're currently in. That way, if you're part of multiple workspaces, your status won't carry over where it doesn't make sense. This helps avoid confusion and keeps your presence accurate for the team you're collaborating with. To make your status more recognizable at a glance, click the emoji icon. Visual cues are powerful. An emoji can make your status stand out in busy views and speed up communication. When the emoji picker opens, you'll see categories to help you find the right icon quickly. Frequently used is handy if you tend to reuse the same symbols for meetings, heads down work, or breaks. If you need something more expressive, switch to smiles and people to choose from a wide range of faces and human icons. Pick the emoji that best matches your status, and it will attach to the label you selected earlier. That's all there is to it. You went to Overview in your team space, opened your profile menu, chose Set Status, selected the status you want, applied it for My Workspace, and added an emoji using either your frequently used icons or the Smiles and People category. A couple of final tips. Keep your status concise, use consistent emojis so teammates learn your patterns. And remember to update it when your availability changes. This small habit can make collaboration smoother for everyone.